Did you know that most single-use sanitary pads contain toxic chemicals, perfumes and adhesives that can potentially harm your body? That's why Giocare has designed reusable cloth pads that are great for your body, wallet and the environment. They come in 5 sizes, making them perfect for every flow. Each Giocare cloth pad has 3 layers. Soft breathable cotton on the outside for comfort, an absorbent core to soak up the blood, and a leak-proof layer to prevent staining. Also, it's super easy to use. Just place it on your underwear, clip it on, and voila! After use, soak and rinse with water at room temperature, wash with detergent or in the machine, and dry in sunlight. With Giocare, you can save up to ₹2,000 every year. And if taken care, the pads can last for up to 2 years or more. Unlike disposable sanitary pads that take 500 to 800 years to decompose, cloth pads help you reduce waste and protect the planet. You can now purchase Giocare cloth pads on our website or Amazon.